This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix can't delete voice memo from iPhone. So if you're trying to delete a voice memo from your iPhone but you see unable to delete voice memos message, don't worry. Follow these simple steps to fix this issue. So the first solution is, if you locked any voice memo, then make sure to unlock the voice memo. And after unlocking the voice memo, try to redelete it. The second solution is, go to your iPhone settings, tap on your Apple ID, tap on iCloud. Here scroll down and search for voice memo. All you have to do is just disable voice memo from here and then try to redelete the voice memo. The third solution is offload the Voice Memos app. Open your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, and search for Voice Memo. Tap on Voice Memos, Offload app, and reinstall the app from here, and then check the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.